Hello everyone, and today we are going to find our answer for the integral from pi to 0 of sine squared x times cosine squared x dx. To do this, you guys should know that sine squared x plus cosine squared x is equal to 1, and cosine 2x is equal to cosine squared x minus sine squared x. So then there are total of another two more answers that cosine 2x could have, and that is having the cosine squared alone from this formula and then substituting in there, and another way is only having sine squared x on one side and then substitute in there. So we are going to do that. Yes. So I am trying to have cosine squared x all by itself. So cosine squared x is equal to 1 minus sine squared x. And then I substitute it in there by getting cosine 2x is equal to, that is just 1 minus 2 sine squared x. Okay, very nice. And then on the another way is only having sine squared x alone. So sine squared x is equal to 1 minus cosine squared x. Then I substitute it in there, getting cosine 2x is equal to 2 times cosine squared x minus 1. You guys won't be needing this anymore. Okay, and now what I do is try to get sine squared x all by itself from here, and then cosine squared x all by itself from here. And you guys will see why in a couple of seconds. Yeah, we will make it seconds, so I'll do it really quick. So I will plus 2 times sine squared x on both sides, and then minus cosine 2x on both sides. So we have this. So that moved to here, and this moved to here. And then I divide 2 on each side. Yep. And then to do this, I plus 1 and divide 2 on each side. Very simple. Oh, I think I got the orders wrong, but it doesn't matter. Okay, so the sine squared x and the cosine squared x I have, I'm going to put it in here. Yes, I am going to put it in there. But we have a 1 over 2 and 1 over 2. And those are just going to get multiplied together, and that's a coefficient, so that can come in front of the integral sign, 1/4. So the only thing I'm left with is 1 minus cosine 2x times cosine 2x plus 1. Do you guys know what this is? Well, I do. And you guys probably do too. And that is equal to 1 minus cosine squared 2x. And how do we do cosine squared 2x? Well, where is it? Yes, wait. Oh, from right here, that's a cosine squared 2x we are trying to find, but this is only cosine 2x. And of course, there's a parentheses like this. But if there's a 2 in front, 2x, they're the same thing. If I have 2 here, then we have 4 here. Very cool. And now I can substitute this for this. 1 minus, then we have cosine 4x plus 1 over 2. I'll just have a parenthesis to make things clearer. There is a 1, and then there's a 1 over 2. Like this. That is just equal to 1 over 2 minus cosine 4x over 2, and all by dx. Okay, from here on out, it's going to be very easy. All I do is just integral this and this. The integral of 1 over 2 is 1 over 2 times x, and then this is just sine 4x over 8. Because if I prime this, the 4 comes in front, no, 4 over 8 becomes 2, and then sine is going to be cosine 4x, they're the same thing. and then a plus c. And from an interval from pi to 0. Actually, no, we don't have a plus c. What am I talking about? And there's an interval like this. Okay, let's put pi in here. If we do, we get pi over 2. Put pi here, that's sine 4 pi. So 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi. Sine pi is equal to 0. Okay, so that's just minus 0. And then plus, putting 0 there, we have 0, and then putting 0 there, sine 0 is here. That's 4 pi exactly. So, yeah. Hey, we found it. It was pretty long, but it was all easy to understand. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and thank you, and bye.